All right, we're about to put this to the test and see if this is actually going to work. So if you saw my last reel, I used paper transfer tape and put it on these teeny tiny letters that need to be glued to this. So I was sick of picking up each little letter, gluing it, and putting it down where it needed to be. So I said, you know what? Let's think outside the box here. Let's use this paper transfer tape, which looks like this. I got this giant roll off of, I think I got this off of like Vinyl Expressions or something. I don't know. I've had this thing for like 8 years. I'm exaggerating. Maybe like 4 years. I don't know. I don't know where I got it from, but it's paper transfer tape nonetheless. I'm going to use this here, and real quick, let me just get this little piece out. Y'all don't look at these nails. I'm going to do them tonight. Okay, get these out the way. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my favorite glue in the whole wide world. I'm just going to do a couple little dots here. Maybe I'm going to. Yes, okay. Just a few little dots. And then we are going to see if we can just line it up perfectly where it's supposed to be. Now, I did make a couple extra. Mom ain't raised no fool, just in case this doesn't work. And then that way I can still get this order out. They got to go in the mail tomorrow. So, all right, let's see. Now, what I like about this paper transfer tape is it's a little bit translucent, so you can see a little bit. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous. Maybe I'll do it the other way. Yeah, maybe I'll do it this way. Maybe I will just lay it on here. That's what I'll do. Okay. So let's try this. Let's lay it on. Okay, I'll just lay it on here. Okay, so that the glue gets to the thing. Nope, I don't think I'm even. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. We can do this. No, it's not on here, right? Because I'm not even. So let me fix this. Let me see. Oh, what have I done? All right, don't do that. Okay. Let's just see. Will it work? Yes, it does. It does work. It worked. Okay. So see, look, it put it on here. So that's kind of cool, except for the fact that I bent it in half, but that's okay. I'm going to fix that. And it looks like there's a little piece of black from the offset. But that is kind of cool, kind of neat. And I'm just going to end up sticking it up here when I finish the rest of this. All right, I'll take that as a win. I need a little bit more practice lining it up, but so far so good.